Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to deal with the writing paper part 1 of the B2 Cambridge certificate. In this part, you're asked to write an essay in 140 and 190 words. You will be given a topic and a question and some ideas to use. You must use these ideas and also add one idea of your own. Let's see an example to show you how this part works.
Every country in the world has problems with the pollution and damage to the environment. Do you think these problems can be solved? Here you have 3 ideas. 1. Transport. 2. Rivers and seas. And then you have to add your own idea.
Before going further, we must know first how to write a proper essay. First of all, we must take into account the structure, which is as follows. First, the introduction, 1 paragraph. Second, the body or the ideas to develop, 1 idea per paragraph. And third, the conclusion, 1 paragraph. Introduction. Describe in general terms the topic or problem. Then say the different ideas or possible solutions. Use connectors or different linkers such as nowadays, recently, currently, as a matter of fact, recent research, or you can use since, due to, so as to, in order to. Use adjectives with the words topic, problem, issue, or impact if you're going to use these words. For example, you can say controversial topic, conflictive issue, current topic, current issue. Even you can say considerable impact or high impact. Besides, try to avoid repetition by using different verbs. For example, deal with, cope with, describe, discuss, comment on, develop, and so on. You can use passive forms: to be solved, to be considered, to be described, or to be dealt with. You can use also phrasal verbs, for example, bring about or solve out. One tip is to use also complex vocabulary, such as, for example, a forthcoming problem, or a forward-thinking idea. Let's see an example. Now, body or ideas to develop. You have to describe the idea and say why it is a good idea to carry out. How to begin paragraphs. The first idea to deal with is, firstly, one possible solution could be, for the following ideas, you can say, in addition, and then the idea. Transport should be taken into account since or because. You can also use for the other ideas other connectors such as in addition, additionally, moreover, furthermore, etc. Also, you can say another idea could be, another idea to consider or to carry out is useful language. You can use here not only but also, or both and. Let's see some examples. Using electric cars is an outstanding idea, not only to avoid pollution, but also to save up some money. Both electric cars and bicycles should be considered as the best ways of transport in the near future. You can use conditionals. For example, if people got used to going cycling to work, there would be a better air quality. The conclusion. It can be a summary of what you have said, but with different words, plus a final reason to convince that your ideas were the best ones. And or you can give a possible recommendation. You can use connectors such as in conclusion, to conclude up, as a conclusion, to sum up. You can use phrasal verbs to get down, to get rid of, to carry out. Let's see a conclusion for this topic. That's it. I hope you liked it. I wish you could use some of my ideas in your essays. And thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.